5 Ways AI is Transforming Salesforce CRM. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the way businesses operate, particularly in the field of customer relationship management, CRM. Salesforce CRM, a leading provider of CRM software, is harnessing the power of AI to drive efficiency, productivity, and growth for businesses. 5 key ways AI is transforming Salesforce CRM, from data analysis to personalized customer experiences. Main keyword heading: 5 ways AI is transforming Salesforce CRM. Improved customer service. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are changing the way businesses interact with customers. By integrating AI into Salesforce CRM, companies can provide instant and personalized support to their customers, leading to higher satisfaction levels and increased retention rates. Enhanced data analysis. AI enables Salesforce CRM to analyze vast amounts of data quickly and efficiently, providing valuable insights into customer behavior, preferences, and trends. Increased efficiency. By automating repetitive tasks and streamlining processes, AI-powered Salesforce CRM systems can significantly improve efficiency within an organization. Personalized experiences. AI technology enables Salesforce CRM to deliver personalized experiences to customers at scale. Strategic decision-making. AI empowers businesses to make strategic decisions based on data-driven insights and predictive analysis. By integrating AI into Salesforce CRM, organizations can gain a deeper understanding of their customers, market trends, and competitive landscape. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI is transforming Salesforce CRM in profound ways, from enhancing customer service to driving business growth through personalized experiences and strategic decision-making. By leveraging the power of AI technology, businesses can achieve greater efficiency, increased customer satisfaction, and a competitive edge in today's rapidly evolving marketplace.